Don't be lazy. Lazy is your sabotage. Lazy is the thing that gives you the excuse and gets you off the hook of why you don't have what you want. How do you manifest anything you want in life? How do you manifest anything you desire in life? Well, you're hearing that right. Manifestation, anything can happen. It sounds too good to be true. Well, it isn't. I do believe it's important to get in the right mindset before you start manifesting and learning how to set intentions for manifesting. Manifesting can seriously help you. But if you don't do these things, you can manifest something in existence that wasn't what you intended to be. And what you'll learn in this video is I live these steps. I'm going to share with you today and really what really allowed me to manifest anything I wanted or desired in my life. I promise if you practice them and make them part of your lifestyle, you'll attract anything you want. But you really have to work on them. Manifestation and manifesting anything is really in some simple steps. Clarity is key. Get clear on what you want, what you don't want. Let's get all the characteristics and quality and tiny details. In fact, writing down what you want and can really help you manifest it sooner, quicker, faster. You've all experienced that, right? You wouldn't be here. Decide what you want to manifest and think about it thoroughly. Think if you want something or someone else, prepare your mind to be ready to achieve it and receive it, because you got to be ready to receive it. When your decision is being done, think about all the negative thoughts that are going across your way. Right? And start tackling those. Get those negative thoughts out. You need to convince your mind that it is possible. Remember that fake it till you make it, right? That's not necessarily true, because then you start manifesting what you don't want. So write down the thing you want to manifest most in life and write it down in complete details, the date, the place, the person, and make sure you don't change it. I want you to start visualizing it. I visualize being a speaker. I visualize big stages. I don't know what I was going to talk about, but I was visualizing it. Think that manifestation is already something on its way and that you've already achieved it. I manifest being a millionaire, a multimillionaire, having multiple income streams. This was the trigger of the vibration to my subconscious that your mind can manifest something that it can come true. We got to dump our limiting beliefs and our blocks before getting into the how. Ask the universe to deliver. And all that stuff will come into line. Manifestation is about energy, and we need to clear some order to manifest it quicker, faster. Ask the universe, God, whatever you call it. I call it God. Yeah, you probably should have saw that one coming. So now that you're clear on the reality of what you want to manifest, let's start opening the channels of manifestation. I know it sounds a little woo-woo. It did to me when I first started. But you got to open it up. I got to remove my limiting beliefs and my blocks and believe that it truly can come. Pay attention to how you're asking the universe and how you're asking God. A lot of people make the mistake without even realizing that there's a scarcity, there's a victim mindset. You got to be fully transparent of the receiving. So there's 3 parts of manifestation: attract, create, and manifest. When willing something to happen, you have to realize that your thoughts manifest your reality, meaning the energy and the vibration we attract that we create more of, and ultimately become our manifested reality. I always get asked, how do you manifest anything instantly? And the truth is, you're already doing it. Your entire reality is manifest based on your thoughts and your perception, your great life and your not so great life. This process to manifest anything in your life and anything you desire is designed to help you get clear about your blocks, your subconscious, your conscious, in order for you to attract more positivity and become a magnet for your deepest desires. What are you going to manifest? I want you to share in the comments, what do I want to manifest? I want you to get a visual representation. Right? We all heard about it, vision boards, goal boards. I want you to get that visual representation of what you want to manifest in your life. I want you to see it every single day. I want you to put it in your office. I want you to put it in your closet. I want you to put it anywhere that you see it. What is it? Is it a healthy relationship? Right? Is it a man or woman that loves and adores you and serves you? I want you to write affirmations. Affirmations of receiving. Receiving was hard for me. I had to fight for everything with 9 brothers and sisters. I was fighting for bread. I was fighting for food. I was fighting for attention. I was fighting for everything. I had to let that go and get ready to receive, right? Give attention towards the sign the universe is giving you. Look at little tiny things. Look at how you create a parking space. Look at how you create a friend calling. Look at how you create a client calling. That was a good one for me. When I was young in business, I would think about Jennifer and Jennifer would call. I would think about Sam and Sam would call. Do you do that with your friends? Think about opportunities. I have a client, Ann Landstrom, and she was manifesting a trip to Costa Rica paid for by a client. She thought about it. It was in her office. She was manifesting and visualizing. And you know what happened? She got hired to do a film shoot in Costa Rica, everything paid for. Anything's possible. Now, the thing most people miss is they're just trying to visualize it and they're not doing the work. She had to do the work. She had to be an amazing photographer. She had to be in action, connecting with people. You can't just sit on the couch and make it happen. Some things can happen. But the real work, the deep work, I can't just wish for $1 million. I'm not going to win the lottery. I've got to be on podcasts. I've got to speak. I've got to enroll. I've got to create programs that people can raise their hand. Don't be lazy. Lazy is your sabotage. Lazy is the thing that gives you the excuse and gets you off the hook of why you don't have what you want. I promise you anything's possible when you believe and you're in action. I'm living testament of this. I shouldn't be where I am, right? We grew up in a trailer park. We had a small home, right? Lots of brothers and sisters. And I decided I wanted something different. I didn't know how. I don't have a college degree. I want you to know that I just created it because I said so and did the work. If you're willing to do the work, if you're willing to invest in your mind will fill your purse overflowing. You're in business for yourself, not by yourself. Let's manifest together. I'm your sister in the journey. I'm your profit coach, Susie Carder.